Hey, babe, I have a better idea.
What?
Use this instead.
Is this, washing machine?
Yeah, that's why I got it.
Okay, I'll try it out.
Over time, your washing machine can build up machine cleaner to deodorize and refresh our washer today. It's pretty simple to use. We have a front loader, so all we did was pop one directly into the machine and put it on self-cleaning mode. After the cycle ended, all I had left was to use a washcloth to get in between the rubber areas to ensure to get any leftover residue. So give your washer a glow up and try it out today.